Hi friends, in this video, unboxing the NodeMcu. NodeMcu can access data and device through the internet. In one sentence, NodeMcu is a Internet of Thinking device. It is a smaller pack, also weightless. Let's open the cover, and inside another pack. Printed on it a caution notice: static sensitive device, not to be handled by unauthorized person. And the NodeMcu pinned on this plastic material. It's actually protect the legs of MCU. The other side of MCU printed this: install CH3406 drive and use 9600 byte per second for baud rate of this board. Then test of this board connected to this NodeMcu to the PC. Select the correct board and port and upload the code to the MCU. It takes some time more than the code uploading to the Arduino. This is the program to blink LED and connect LED to the specified pin in program. Do not forget to connect a 470 ohm resistors to series the LED for controlling the current. You can see the LED is blinking. Web server test. In this test, we control that same LED through the internet. Put your Wi-Fi ID and password here before upload the code. Then select board and port before uploading. You can see after the uploading, the NodeMcu is connected to the hotspot. Then browse the IP address, and in that IP address a switch available, and that switch can control the LED of NodeMcu. You can see that it's working. How to install the drive and board. The drive file always available in the board builder's site, and download it. The link of this site also available in description. In ESP family, different kind of board available and different type of drive. Then you must realize what the drive you have before the drive installation. Then open the drive file. It is in zip format. Extract it to the location, the file where we want. Then open the folder and install the setup. This process very fast. Then go to File and Preference and copy this URL ID here and press OK. After that, go to Tools and Board Manager and scroll down and install the ESP community. This process takes some time. After the installation, you can see in boards menu the ESP's all family boards available here.